Alrighty tubers, today we're going to show you how to adjust the personal pace on this personal pace recycler Toro. On the handlebars you're going to see this guy right here. This is your adjustment. If you're having to push more than halfway down on your handlebars to get it to move, you need to adjust. And this is definitely that way. It's not engaging until about there, and then you've got like just a smidge more of movement. So it definitely needs to be adjusted up. So what you do, grab an 11mm wrench or ratchet. You're going to loosen this guy up. And don't tighten it down super tight when you put it back together, because it is plastic. You're going to move this cable downward to tighten up the adjustment. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll do one more, a fifth. This still needs to have some amount of play in it. I can maybe do one more. It kind of pops back. I think that might be where we need it. I did 6, I don't know, clicks, you could call it. Snug it a little bit more. Try to move it, it won't move. When you push on it, see, that's about, you can kind of feel it engage. It's engaging about halfway, and then you got that little bit more to push. I think that adjustment should be exactly where it needs to be. The reason why you need to adjust this is this cable starts to stretch just a little bit. There's springs and stuff that get a little sprung over time. Let's go ahead and start it up and get it. I'll just put it against the garage door here. Turn on the automatic focus. We'll put it against the door here out of the dirt. Start it up, see what it feels like. That feels absolutely perfect. As soon as I push forward, it wants to start moving, and it's got that little bit more travel to go. So that should be exactly where it needs to be. And it's pretty simple, but that's how you adjust your personal pace on a Toro mower. And this adjustment will go for any personal pace of any year, as long as the system, the belts, and the springs are not too sprung. As long as the system's still working as it should, it's a simple way of adjusting it. Make it last that much longer, make it work for many more years. Hope you guys enjoyed and you learned something today. If so, consider subscribing. If you'd like to leave a thumbs up, that would be awesome. Hope you guys have a good one. I'll see you later. Bye.